Hey happy campers! Welcome to Taste Great Outdoors, where we make easy recipes that you can make in minutes at your campsite. This is the Camp Skillet Frittata, a classic egg dish packed with meat, veggies, and plenty of protein, which equals energy in the outdoors. And since one skillet serves everyone in your group, it's among the easiest morning meals you can make. So come on, let's get started. First, the prep. Remember, substitution is king in the field. Use what you have and don't be afraid to take risks. If you have potatoes or peppers left over from last night's dinner, just toss them in. Start by browning the sausage. Or don't. This recipe works for the vegetarians out there too. Add in the veggies and cook over medium heat until the potatoes are fork tender. While that's going, beat 6 eggs. I cracked these eggs into a mason jar at home so they wouldn't get broken on the drive up to camp. Pretty cool, right? Now reduce the heat to low, pour in your eggs, toss in some shredded cheddar, and mix everything together, making sure to combine but don't scramble. Then salt and pepper to taste. Cover the skillet with foil and cook for about 15 minutes, or until the eggs are set in the center of the pan. While you wait, now would be a great time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if there are any other camp recipes you'd like to see, drop us a comment below. And here it is, the Camp Skillet Frittata, a gorgeous, no-fuss egg dish to help you start your day right. Hit it with a dollop of salsa and sour cream and a couple of splashes of hot sauce if that's your thing. I know it's mine. To get the full frittata recipe, check out the video description. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what camp meals you like to cook in the comment section below.